Alright, hi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we continue our next video. I have teach you all on cost of bond, correct? Now we proceed with cost of preferred shares. So how to calculate cost of preferred share class? So before I want to proceed my cost of preferred share, I would like to share to you all one slide. Okay. So I want to remind back, I want to give a recall on cost of debt first. How to calculate cost of debentures, or we call it cost of bond as well. To finance the project, the company planned to issue 10% debentures with a nominal value of 1,000. Means that the par value 1,000 at 960. Correct. You see at issue at is considered 960 is the market price. The debentures can redeem after 10 years at 1,000. Alright, issuance cost of 10 ringgit unit will be incurred. So the issuance cost is considered as flotation cost. 10 ringgit means that you need to calculate the question I give you. How about this 10%? To issue 10% debentures. So actually this 10% is coupon rate. Alright, plus the debentures can be redeemed after 10 years at 1,000. What do you understand on this class? Okay, I want to repeat. If you see, like for instance, the price is 960, and the debentures can be redeemed after 10 years at 1,500. Okay, for example. So make sure your market, your PV actually must use majority value. Okay, we consider it as a majority value. If question did not give you any majority value, you use par value. But however, if the question have give you the redeem value is considered as a majority value, use it as the figures majority value. So if the question tells the debentures can redeem up to 10 as 1,005, so redeem value is 1,005, you can put it as 1,005. We will be par value when the question didn't give you any of redeem value. You see, never, no words, no statement on redeem value, right? No statement on majority value. So we put it as par value 1,000. Clear? So this is very, you have variety style of question. So you need to understand how to extract the information. All right. Thank you. So now we proceed back to our preferred stock. Okay. So what is the formula? This is the formula. Okay, so dividend divided by market price minus flotation cost. Good class. So this is the formula and you need to remember. So dividend percentage times of value, flotation cost percentage times market price. So we start to do our preferred stock. We have done our bond our in first video. Now we are doing formula for preferred stock. Good. This one class. Preferred stock. So done. So what is the formula class? The formula, yes, good class. The formula here is dividend divided by market price minus quotation cost. Okay. Okay, so what information that we need? Come class, we go to is a question. So you know, issue preferred stock 10% dividend per value 100. Quotation cost is 12% the current price of 150. As I told you, remember our step 1, you can get all this from your extract information. So come, where is the extract information for preferred stock? So this is the extract information. So you can use it for our step to calculate preferred stock. So this is the information. Alright. Calculating preferred stock now. So the problem right now, you must make sure all must be in RM. How class? Come, we can try to calculate now. So, what is your dividend in RM? Now, this is in percentage. So, what is the formula for dividend in RM? As I told you, see, this is the formula. Dividend percentage times this par value. What is the par value class? Very good. It's 100. 100. Whoa. Okay. So 0.1 times 100. So equals to, I know the answers are 10 ringgit. Correct? Say yes. So count calculate 0.1 times 100. Right. The answer is 10, right? It's 10. So your par value, we have find our flotation cost 12% times it. The formula is percentage times market price. You get your market price, right? 150. Just now you have extract. So my suggestion is when you have extract information, then you want to do any calculation on paper stock, bond or common stock, please don't need to get your question. Focus on the step one, only extract information. Get it? Good. So now you can solve it in the formula. How? Alright. So paper stock, cost of paper stock equals to dividend. Again, another dividend is RM times. Right. Then divide by market price minus quotation cost. The market price is 150 minus with 18. See quotation cost 0.12% times the market price, you got 18. What is the answer? Well, faster class. Calculate with me together. Alright, you can calculate with me together. Together. Hold on. Alright, how? Okay, now you must remember. Okay, 10 divide by 150 minus with 18. You will get 0.07576. So please consider as 7.51. Okay, so this is the cost of preferred stock. Done. Provide me in decimals at the same time provide me in percentage. Same goes for your bond. Sorry, I will have to confirm that. Alright. So please provide me both answer. I need both answer. So Elias 0.06235. Correct? So that is for the cost of that. So class, I want to repeat back. Please provide me two answer, decimal and in percentage too. Okay, now next question. Then that's all. Please don't do any careless mistake. Certain student, he will take this answer, then he will do 1 minus tax. Remember, only cost of debt only the cost of debt only you need to minus with 1 minus tax times 1 minus tax. For preferred stock and common stock, you no need to times because as I told you, the characteristic when you issue a debt, you can reduce, tax, correct? So that is the cost of that. Net cost of that after minus tax. But preferred stock and common stock do not relate with tax at all. So you need to times it by minus tax. Clear? So this is our answer. Cost of that. Sorry, cost of preferred stock. Done. Next, cost of common stock. As I told you, you need to see any do you need to read the question again? No. Why? Yes, for fact. You need to see, refer to set 1. Remember, this is all the information. This is bar, purpose start, common start. So you use this information at step 1, your common start. You don't need to write back, alright? Okay, this is I copy paste because I just want to show you the information. You can use step 1 information to put in a formula. So can I know what's the formula for common stock? Great. See, this is the formula using this or this. Alright, if the question did not give you you should mention your cost of equity, so you use this formula. If the question only gave issue cost of common stock, so you use this formula. In the case of issue, calculate the cost of retained earning, calculate the cost of new common stock. So please use the same formula, MP minus FC. You can use the same formula if the question asks you this question, cost of common stock, but FC must be in. Yes, good. FC must be in 0. Perfect. Okay, so this is formula. How? Now, as I told you, class, you know this is a formula, correct? This is the formula that you have to use for calculating the cost of common stock. Sorry. Okay, so what is the formula now? Expected dividend, D1. Okay, divide with MP minus FC. So this is the formula. Then you will plus with G. Don't forget that. Okay, most of the students do get mistake. They do like D1, right? D1, then they plus with G. It's wrong. You need to divide first, then you can plus with G. So D1, as I told you, no need to calculate. Why? Because you have calculated it, right? D1 is what? Expected dividend. Next year dividend. Those are terms, alright? And what is DO? Just to repeat back, to remind you. Correct, good, good. Current dividend. Next class? Yes, last year dividend. Perfect. Next. Previous dividend. Correct. Current dividend. Last year dividend. So all that considered as DO. Alright. Recent dividend. Perfect. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. So now D1 is, use your calculator, 4.86. Divide from where I get the 4.86 class. Perfect. This D1. You see? D1 divide by your MP is 24.50 minus your FC. Can I know your FC? Perfect. This is your FC. Percent, 5% times 24.5. As I told you, the question you give 5% of your current price. The market price is current price, 1.225. Then you close, calculate this first. Then you plus your G. Your G is 0.08. Change it to decimal. So what is the answer? Class, please calculate with me. Good. Okay. Please calculate 4.86. Don't forget to put two bracket, right? Okay, bracket 4.86 bracket. We divide by bracket 24.5 minus with 1.225. Right, 1 minus 225 bracket, the next bracket, another bracket equals to 0.20881. Then you be plus with your gross 0.08. Then you will get 0.28881. Clear? Is it correct, class? 4.8 is 24.5 minus 1.225. Good. Plus 0.08. Okay. Then you get equals to Elias. Oh, sorry. Remember, if I told you, you must provide me percentage, both decimal and percentage. So this is the all cost of common stock. Clear? Good. Alright, that's all. We have calculated our cost of bond just now for the first one video on bond. The cost of bond is, you see, 6 point. Correct. This is cost of bond. Next, cost of preferred stock and cost of common stock. Good. So we have three. We have calculated three costs of financing. Now which depends on 55. Okay, as you can see now, if we decide to choose only one financing, so which one you want to choose? 28%, 7.7%, or 6.23%. So we choose good. We choose bond for our financing. Why? Because lowest cost of financing, lowest cost of capital. Good. So we choose bond because of what? Bond because the lowest cost of capital. Please don't do any careless mistake. We take the last answer for cost of debt. You use the cost of debt after tax. Please don't use the cost of debt before tax. This is 10, right? But most of the students will choose preferred stock. Why? You see that this is 7 and this is 10, right? So 7 is lower than 10. No, you must take the answer from step 5. So this compare the step 5 cost of the after tax 6.23, 7.576, and 28%. Wow. So we need to choose bond because it is lowest cost of capital. However, if the firm, this is for the question is only if you choose one financing. However, if the chance choose that, all right, we choose three, we use three financing to get the fund. Bond, we use preferred stock, we use equity. As you can see now, this we call it optimal capital structure. So from the 10 million, 30% come from debt, 20% preferred stock, and 50% from equity. So calculate weighted average cost of capital, the overall cost of capital. How to calculate? Meet me in the next lecture video on WACC. See you. Assalamualaikum.